These are the three types of fallacy. This pathetic fallacy by John Ruskin, whereas the intentional fallacy and affective fallacy is by Wimsatt and Beardsley. So pathetic fallacy is like a personification. When you read the figure of a speech, you will find personification is a figure of a speech in which the human talent, human nature is attributed to the non-living things. So let us see what is pathetic fallacy in detail. It is a literary device that attributes human qualities and emotions to inanimate objects of nature. See, we need to remember 2-3 things here. Sorry. It attributes human qualities and also the emotion to inanimate objects. The objects which cannot move, they are called the inanimate objects, and they must be from nature. The word pathetic in the term is not used in the derogatory sense of being miserable. Rather, it stands for imparting the emotions to something else. Means the emotions of human beings are embedded with the inanimate objects. So inanimate objects will behave like a human beings. They will have the emotion like human beings. So this is the pathetic fallacy. Hope it is clear. Or do I need to elaborate it some more? This pathetic fallacy is this pathetic fallacy is quite similar to personification. How it is similar? Personification is a broader term. It gives human attributes to abstract ideas. In pathetic fallacy, we saw that it about the human qualities and emotions are attributed to inanimate objects, whereas in personification, human attributes are given to the abstract ideas. Ideas can also speak like human, and animate objects of nature. Pathetic fallacy, inanimate objects which cannot move. Animate objects or inanimate non-natural objects. If any inanimate objects there and if it is non-natural, then it is personification. So you must have found what is the difference between pathetic fallacy and personification. I'll give you an example here. There is a sentence, the somber clouds darkened our mood. Here cloud is responsible for darkening the mood. Cloud is a natural object. Natural object is a pathetic fallacy. As human attributes are given to an inanimate object of nature reflecting the mood. So this is the pathetic fallacy. And the next sentence is, the sparrow talked to us. The sparrow is given the attribute of talking, as the sparrow cannot talk, but the sparrow is given the attribute of talking. So a sparrow is an animate object, not inanimate. It is animate object and animate object of the nature, and sparrow is given the talking quality. So it is a personification because the animate object of nature is the sparrow is given the human quality of talking.
Sir, is it matlab inanimate non-living thing?
Exactly, non-living things.
Okay.
Very,
Or
very
animate means like sparrow is a living thing and compared to human beings.
Exactly.
Giving
Exactly.
quality of speaking.
Very right.
Okay. So that's
So these two terms
fallacy,
must be clear. Yes.
pathetic fallacy में मतलब non-living things को compare किया जाता है ह्यूमंस के साथ ऐसा?
ह्यूमन फीलिंग्स जो होती है, ह्यूमन एटीट्यूड, ह्यूमन फीलिंग, ह्यूमन हैबिट्स आर गिवन टू नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स.
तो वो हो जाएगा पैथेटिक फैलेसी.
So that is the pathetic fallacy.
ओके, ठीक है.
And that object should be inanimate object, and that object should be from the nature. It's not be an artificial one.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
अगर artificial है, then it will be personification. And if it is
अगर
animate
आर्टिफिशियल है
object,
तो सर?
then it will be called personification.
तो
This is the
स्पैरो
difference.
तो नेचुरल है, उसको भी पर्सोनिफिकेशन.
Because it is animate object, living things. तो living things जो होगा, that will be personification. Non-living things, pathetic fallacy.
अच्छा, आर्टिफिशियल पैथेटिक फैलेसी.
Artificial is personification. Kindly note it somewhere. If the object is artificial or animate, that means living, then it will be personification. If the object is non-living, inanimate, then it will be pathetic fallacy.
Okay, sir.
In the pathetic fallacy, the object must be from the nature. But in personification, it can be artificial.
अच्छा, ठीक है सर.
I hope it is clear to everyone.
Thank you, sir.